All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to solve for what's called the lowest common multiple. Now, what that is that when solving for lowest common multiple, we're trying between two or more numbers. We need to find the smallest number that both are a factor of. Okay, so we're trying to find that smallest number that both of them are a factor of, and that can be a bit of a challenging, especially if they are numbers that don't really line up overly well. So let's go through an example. We're just going to go through a really basic example and go through kind of what the steps would be in a simplified form here, or a very basic form. So if we want to find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 32, we want to try to find what number are 12 and 32 both able to divide evenly into. Okay, and now some of you have done this in the past where you would then multiply the numbers together and boom, we have a multiple. But it's not necessarily the lowest one. We want to try to find what is the lowest common one. So what we can do with these ones here is we can find all of the multiples of those numbers. Okay, and well, maybe we won't have to find all of them, but we're definitely going to start here. So we're going to start with 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and there's more. Now, I'm not going to go all the way up to what we might have there, but I'm going to start with this here. Okay, get this started and see if also 32 doesn't magically hit one of these as well. So let's take a look at 32. So we're going to do the same thing with 32, but now we're going to go up a lot quicker. So we got 64. Well, let's check here. 32, no, there's a 36. 64, no, 60. Next one would be 96. Wait a minute. There it is. Okay, 96 matches up. Okay, that is the smallest one. Okay, look, we're only 3 in. It's really quick. Okay, that's our lowest common multiple right here. Okay, and we're going to call that the LCM. Okay, lowest common multiple. Now, that's not the only common multiple. If we keep on going here, 132, 144, 156, 168, 180, 192, and now I've done this in the past here, so I kind of maybe a little cheating on some of these numbers here, or being able to get these really quickly. 192. Okay, we have another common one right here. Okay, so that one right there, so it's common, but it's not our lowest common. That would be the 96. Now you'll notice here, it's the third one, the sixth one, ninth one, 12th, and so on and so forth. So it will always be the same. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8, 16, 24, and so on and so forth is the number that we would get. So this is one way of finding the lowest common multiple. Okay, it's one way of solving for that.